Welcome to PowrSuite 2.0. I'm delighted to see you here because of the trust you've put in us. PowrSuite 2.0 is an all-exclusive tool to build your online business this year. It will help you generate more income much quicker than you could trying to find all the apps that accomplish what PowrSuite does alone. This will dramatically decrease the time it takes for your business to become profitable. And hey, we know this isn't the first online business tool in the market. Yes, you could probably find tools that accomplish what each of the 13 tools do, but we are the first to put all 13 of these critical tools together in one suite at one super low price. In short, you're getting a fantastic deal, which will only get better from today. Unfortunately, it is something that many people may miss out on, giving you a distinct advantage in your business. Now, if you're anything like me, you will want more, which makes sense because in my business, I'm always looking to find ways to get more at a price that isn't available anywhere else. So, along with welcoming you, I wanted to tell you about an opportunity that is only available on this page. Now, you can max out revenues and customer interaction without anything holding you back. Simple math dictates that when it comes to generating income with online business services, having more is always better. Unfortunately, many tools out there never truly let you go unlimited. They slow down your growth and charge you ridiculous fees to raise your limits. And then they aren't even built for marketers. We are different. We know who you are. We know what marketers want. So here's some good news for you. We want to offer you something to give you an unfair advantage by maximizing your profits with your business services. It's called PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited, and it turns everything to unlimited. So what will you get with PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited today? You'll unlock unlimited use of all the tools. You can create as many opt-in pages, bonus pages, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube thumbnails. I don't want you to miss out on the fact that you're able to generate an unlimited number of leads to use for yourself or to sell to agencies and make a nice little profit. And don't forget, that includes unlimited use of PowerWriter to generate all the AI text you want. Basically, it's as many of everything that you'll ever want. With unlimited options, you'll see higher engagement and higher sales. You can boost your profits by creating business assets and pages for any niche you want. Unlimited credits across all the business tools will help you test and expand your business into other niches and other markets altogether. You can do a test run. And if that market is growing, keep producing content. If not, end it. No risk for you to experiment with new content ideas. It'll help you multiply your income potential by offering multiple niche services simultaneously. Plus, you'll never run out of new services that you can offer. Now you don't need to delete your old but profitable assets and services. Just create a new one and another new one. Use your unlimited credits any way you want. Second, you'll also unlock the pro version of our ads creation tool. Now, this is big. PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited expands to offer you tons more ad templates and high converting ideas with your included upgrade to Ads Pro. And you know that more the better principle? Well, it applies perfectly here, since you'll be generating significantly more business with your powerful all-in-one upgraded business services suite, which will naturally lead to more clients and, of course, more money in your bank account. Third, today you will get access to an impressive bunch of professional business courses. These will help you get your business and your clients' businesses profitable even sooner. Now, there is no comparison between the unlimited upgrade and staying with the commercial version. If you upgrade to PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited, you will leave all those who chose to stay with the commercial version in your dust. You quickly will pull away and win that race to the top. And finally, you'll also get access to our dedicated support team. You see, we know that when we upgrade you to the Ads Pro tool and you get unlimited credits in all of our tools, including our lead generator and our AI writer, then you are, or you will be, a big-time user. And you may need quick help whenever you want it. So we have gone out and hired and trained extra support staff that are completely dedicated to servicing you. That is our new PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited customers and their clients. This priority support service ensures that you don't wait long for your queries to get resolved. You can move faster between various clients and niches, and you can work with complete confidence knowing that a dedicated team is there to back you up. Now, To summarize, with PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited, you'll be able to create unlimited business assets and do that for an unlimited number of clients with an unlimited number of credits for every single tool. You'll have unlimited access to our top business training courses. These will help you to grow your business service agency exponentially. Plus, of course, you jump to the front of the line for support. All this is yours when you get PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited today. How's that for a deal? Now, remember, our cost to host, maintain, operate, and update PowrSuite 2.0, especially with your unlimited capabilities, are very high. But as a new customer, your success is our #1 priority, which is why you will get full access to PowrSuite 2.0 Unlimited. Now, this is an exclusive price, and remember, business services is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and you're getting in at the perfect time and at a price that will be unheard of in a few months. There's a lot of opportunity in this industry, but only if you do things the right way and you're ready to scale. That's what we are giving to you. Click on the button below and go unlimited today. I look forward to helping you maximize your results today, throughout 2023, and in the years to come.